Hey, good morning. Welcome to the morning brief. Today is Wednesday, February 4th. What's going on from forexfactory.com at 8:15? We have ADP non-farm employment change, which came in at 22K, below average of 46K. So this means that we're not adding jobs. So that's not necessarily a good thing. 9:45, we have final services PMI, which is yellow, so low impact. And at 10 a.m., we have the ISM services PMI. That is a red item. 10:30, we have crude oil inventories. 6:30, we have FOMC member Cook speaking, and that is it for the day. So not much going on. Just be aware that there is a news item at 10 a.m. Looking at the charts, you can see we are back in the middle of the muck. So all the way back into September, we have been in this range, this sideways range. We are currently between the moving averages, but we are kind of right in the middle of the range. I've drawn a trend line across the bottom, a trend line across the top. It is a positive sloping zone, but we are really having a hard time getting out of our own way. So yeah, is what it is. Got a low volume node at 69.73. That would be resistance. Also 69.91. Of course, the 7,000 is the big number. The bottom side 6,900, the big number below. There's a low volume node that's right there at 68.96. If we could get going to the downside, there is some decent support at 68.70. So yeah, there you have it. Pattern wise, it just again just sideways. Nothing to really be excited about one way or another. They did have a little bit above average volume yesterday as they tried very hard to come back to the upside. Was unsuccessful yet. Still, is what it is. It's right smack in the middle. Looking at the inventory, we had down price action, we had up inventory. So that's not correlated, which we want it to be correlated. So again, on these down days, we see a concerted effort to buy the dip. This is the buy the dip folks jumping in, trying to support this thing. And again, I've said this seems like a lot, particularly lately. As this process continues to happen, it reinforces the behavior, and that may be a good thing. It may be a bad thing. I expect that once these buy the dip folks get below and underwater, the selling will resume and get ugly. Uh, that being said, we've seen this happen over and over again as prices go down. The buy the dip folks come in because they've been rewarded by this behavior in the past. So we'll have to just wait and see if it is a big rug pull or if it is a true investment strategy. Looking at the overnight action, approximately 34 points. This is above average, but less than it has been the last few days. Where do we have support and resistance? 69.80 resistance, of course, 69.90 and 7,000 up above. Support, on the other hand, 69.35, 69.18, 69.10, 6,900 are the main resist our support numbers. Stock Traders Almanac for today, 38.1. 38.1 is the percentage the market will go up. We have a negative expectancy based on the historics from the Stock Traders Almanac, basically saying that there is a 62% chance that the market will be down today from the historics. There you have it. Hope you have a great day. See you tomorrow. Remember to subscribe and like. Thanks. See ya. Hey, thanks for watching the morning brief. Check out my website for more information, oneononetrading.com. Take a look at the Troy levels, a trade location finder for the futures markets. Help you find those levels of support and resistance that are just so hard to find. I also do personal coaching and mentorships. So go ahead and take a look at my website, oneononetrading.com.